Today, we're introducing a brand new service, and we call it Apple Card.
Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to Apple Education. So a couple of days ago at an Apple event, Tim Cook and his team announced Apple Card, and they went on to make several other announcements about it and about other things. But in this video, I want to explain to those who might still be confused about Apple Card, what it is, what it does, who it's for, and so forth. So I'll try my best to make this as simple and as quick as possible. Ready? Okay. So you all know what a credit card is. It's a small card issued by your bank or any other financial institution that you belong to allow you to purchase goods and services on credit. And then you'll pay back what you spent on credit when and how you agree with the bank or with that financial institution. Now, Apple Card is a credit card, and the financial institution that issues this card is Apple. So you can use Apple Card to purchase goods and services on credit, and then you'll pay it back when and how you agree with Apple. That is a general idea behind Apple Card. But Apple, as usual, is being a little bit more innovative with their credit card. For starters, you can apply for this card directly on your iPhone, and it's going to be processed within minutes for those who qualify. The Apple Card credit card exists both in physical form as a real card made out of titanium that you can actually swipe at any store or restaurant or wherever you want to swipe it anywhere in the world, just like you would with a MasterCard. And then it also exists in digital form inside your Apple Wallet on your iPhone, so you can use it anywhere that Apple Pay is accepted. The physical card only has the name of the holder on it and the Apple logo and the chip, and it looks really clean and neat, typical Apple. And that's because the card number, the security code, the expiry date, all that information is kept on your iPhone in a special secure chip that keeps the digital version of the same credit card. And you can access that information from your Apple Wallet on your iPhone when you need it, maybe for an online transaction or something. So once you get this Apple Card credit card, you can pop into any store that accepts Apple Pay and pay with your Apple Card through Apple Pay. Or if you're in a place that doesn't have Apple Pay, you can simply whip out your card, your physical Apple Card, and swipe away. So that's what Apple Card basically is, a modern day credit card that exists both as a physical card and as a digital card, and it's offered by Apple. And of course, like other credit cards, there are limits and payment dates and things like that. And I particularly like how they're able to use the power of iOS to present to you all the data you need just the way you need it. It can tabulate for you all your spending habits and even pinpoint places you use your credit card on Apple Maps, which is crazy. And then you also get rewards in form of cashbacks of different percentages depending on where you use the Apple Card and how you use it and things like that. It's just a more advanced, digitized, and more secure credit card from Apple. Unfortunately, it's only available in countries that support Apple Pay, but according to Tim Cook, they're looking to cast their nets in many more countries this year, so can't wait for that, especially me in my own country, and really test it out for you. Anyway, so that's what Apple Card really is. Thanks for watching. You can leave your comments and questions down in the comment section below this video. I'm curious to know what you think about this Apple Card. And don't forget to subscribe and share. Until the next one, my name is Chris, and I'll talk to you guys soon.